welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review on this unit you see me rocking right here, as well as a glue review. So everything was sent to me from ebonyline.com. I will have the wig and the glue linked in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, this unit and glue was sent to me from ebonyline.com, and this is the unit that they sent over, and this is the glue that they sent over. So you guys, first things first, let's get into the unit as we normally would. So y'all, this is a Bobbi Boss unit. Girl, y'all know for the past couple of videos, your girl has been having such a hard time getting these units out, sis. I don't know what is going on, but y'all, this is what she is looking like. Okay, Bobbi. Okay, y'all, so I have here the Bobbi Boss unit in the style MLF 435 Anissa, and in the color TTHL 4/26. And this is she. Very pretty color. And it says it has a midi fresh, safe and clean cap, which blocks UV rays, antibacterial, and has great ventilation. Is soft layered curls, advanced protection, a 4-inch deep part space, baby hair, a flexi fit cap, and it is premium synthetic. And it is curling iron safe. Of course, it doesn't say up to what temperature, but the normal is 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the stock card, y'all. And again, this is she. Very nice curls, fluffy, and this is the color. So let me show you guys the lace. This is the lace, you guys, and as you guys see, it does have the baby hairs. This is the inside, and then it does have a comb on either side, and it has a comb at the bottom and adjustable straps. So this is she, you guys. Y'all, the hair feels very fluffy. Like, I cannot wait to put her on. So let's get into this glue really quickly before I go ahead and use it. As you guys know, I normally use the Got to Be Glued spray, the freeze spray, but today, sis, we're going to be using this glue. So this glue is called Stiff Goddess of Hair. It's fast acting lace front wig bond glue. It says bonding glue and a bond remover. It is a kit. It's vitamin B for edge. It has vitamin B for edge growth, and it includes a free sponge stick, and it is low pH 5.5. I'm not sure what the low pH 5.5 means, but I mean, that's what it says, so somebody may know. So let's go ahead and open her up really quick. So here is the sponge stick that it comes with for application. This is the lace system bond remover, and if you guys saw a previous video of mine that I did, I have reviewed their bonding glue before, but this is a different one. It's like a new upgrade. So yeah, you guys, and the first one that I reviewed was really, really good, so I cannot wait to try this. But it's almost the same from what I can tell. I'm not sure if it's the same ingredients and stuff like that, but it does look the same. So let me show you guys the Strong Coat Lace Bond Glue. This is it. And y'all, it says the same thing as I just read. It gives you directions on it. Remove all makeup and oil residue around the hairline. Apply a thin layer of lace bond glue. Make sure the glue is clear and tacky. Apply more layers if needed, and then apply the lace on the hairline. Press for a minute and hold firmly. This is supposed to be as well waterproof. It has a melanin scent, a strong hold. So sis, we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see. As far as like waterproof, I'll probably like get a spray bottle and spray along the hairline and see if it comes up. But your girl is not dipping her head in any water, sis. My makeup is too cute for that. But yeah, we're gonna see if it's waterproof, you guys. And especially because it's the summertime, you sweat and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna spray it with my hairspray, with the water bottle along the hairline to see if it's waterproof. And then after that, we're going to remove it on camera as well. So stick around for that. I will be removing it and seeing how this lace bond remover works. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm just adding some powder to my lace so that my lace can blend better. However, you can kind of skip this part because it's not a lot of lace since it's a T-part unit. Now I'm just cleaning off my forehead with some alcohol as the directions said on the glue. When applying the glue, I'm just going along the hairline and adding a little bit at a time. You guys can do this in sections if you want, but I'm just doing it all together because it needs to get tacky before you apply the wig. So yeah, you guys, and I'm just using the applicator that they gave me to spread that out, and then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more glue because I did add just too little of a little. Now I'm just putting the wig on my head, and guys, it probably was a better process of doing this. However, this unit is a tad bit small, so putting it on all together made more sense to me than doing it in sections because I would have had a harder time. But nevertheless, yeah, I'm just putting on the unit, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer to seal in the glue. Glue on the parts where the lace isn't completely laid down, and you guys can put the glue underneath or on top of the lace. It really doesn't matter because it's all seeping through the lace anyway. So yeah. So now I'm going back in with the powder to blend my lace a little better. And then y'all, I'm just really checking it out because sis, this glue is like holding this unit down, y'all. It looks really good. But anyways, y'all, now I'm going to begin styling the unit, and I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb to like get the front styled up, and I'm going to do a flip over method instead of doing a middle part. Now for the baby hairs, you guys, I'm going to do something really simple, and I'm using edge control to style the baby hairs. Adding some mousse to the curls just to get the curl pattern back because it did kind of lose its way during the process of styling. So yeah, you guys, adding some mousse or whatever type of curling spray that you want to use will get the curls back in formation. So here is what we are looking like, and honey, when I say this unit is so pretty, y'all, this unit is so pretty and it is so perfect for the summer. Like, honey, come on. But yeah, you guys, let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. Oh, and don't mind my bra. So that was the back, you guys. So first we're going to get into the details of this unit, and then we're going to get into the details about this glue. So first and foremost, this is not a big hair friendly unit. Prior to the video, I always kind of like look at the wig, kind of try it on, whatever, and I noticed that I couldn't get it on my head. So in the making of the video, I didn't put any glue right here on the sides, just because I knew that it was going to be a tighter fit unit. It still is tight on my head, regardless of me not gluing the sides down or whatever. So yeah, you guys, this unit is not for us big head ladies, more so for a smaller head. And if you do decide to still get this unit and you have a big head like me, this is one of those units where you want to take Tylenol first because I slightly have a headache, and then you probably just want to wear it for like maybe an hour, 2 hours max. I think I've been recording now for maybe a few hours or whatever, so that's probably why I have a slight headache. So yeah, you guys, this is just one of those units where you want to put it on and take it off, or you know, do whatever you need to do and take it off if you have a big head. The texture, so the texture of this hair is very soft. I think on the box as well it said that these curls were soft, and they did not lie, sis. This hair is very soft, very nice hair. It's almost like it's a human texture or whatever, even though it is premium synthetic. It just has a human hair touch feel. Like, y'all, when I say the hair is just very nice, that's what I first noticed about this unit as well when I took it out of the package, that the hair was just very nice and just soft, you guys, just very soft or whatever. I did receive some shedding to this unit. I think because of the color as is to why I received so much shedding that I did, and that was just when putting the mousse through the curls. If I don't touch the unit, it's fine, but if I you know, start to play with it and put my hands through it, it does shed. So yeah, you guys, the lace of this on this unit, the lace is very nice, you guys. It melted very nicely, as you guys see, and you guys know that my normal method of laying my wigs down is the got2b glue, and sis, this glue really like laid this wig down, and yeah, like I think it looks really good. Okay, you guys, so getting into the glue again is called Sif. I think I said stiff in the beginning, but it's called Sif, and it says Goddess of Hair. So these are the products. It does come in a kit. This is the glue and this is the remover, and it as well comes with the applicator. So yeah, you guys, the smell to this glue, y'all, I don't know how glue normally smells because I don't use glue, but y'all, when I say this glue smells so good, it smells like melon, like very sweet. So it's a very nice smell, you guys. It holds very well. It has a very strong hold. The next test that we're gonna do is to see if it's waterproof or not. So I have my spray bottle with me right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hairline down to see how well it holds with the water, and then after that I'll show you guys the results, and then we're going to go ahead and remove it with this lace bond remover. So let's go. So first I'm just adding the water to the hairline, and I'm only doing it in the front where you guys can see, and then I'm gonna just kind of do a little tug or whatever to see if the unit lifts up. By the way, you guys, you can get this glue at Amazon, eBay, or Ebonyline.com. But yeah, now that we're cleaned up, we're gonna go ahead and use the lace bond remover to remove the unit, and I'm gonna spray it on, and then I'm gonna massage it in the lace, and you're supposed to let it sit 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not sure how long I let it sit, but I let it sit long enough, and then I lifted the unit off of my head. So that was the demonstration, and forgive my look, like your girl doesn't have her wig on anymore, so this is the best that I could do. But yeah, so the demonstration, it did seem to be waterproof. I don't think anybody's gonna be tugging on your hair anyhow, so it did have a good hold after I sprayed the water onto it, and the lace bond remover worked magic. It took the wig right off of my head. I did massage it through some on the lace just to like get it to, you know, working, and I think it said that on the directions. As you guys saw, I was reading the reading the directions while I was doing it. So yeah, I just massaged it in, and you know, voila, it took it right off my head. So yeah, you guys, the products work good. I'll have them linked in the description box below, as well as this unit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.